Hey, I'm Chris Fisher, and I'm reading for the role of Freeze. Yo, Mr. Black!
Oh, hell no. Not this dumbass hood nigga. What you doing in California? What you doing in my house?
Me and you is through, dog. I'm the man now. And now he knows it.
He's pointing a gun at you. I know you didn't sneak into my house, and I know you ain't pointing a gun at me in my house.
Consider yourself purged, old man.
Oh, hell no. You paying for that shit. Young lady, did you let this braided head, bowl smoking, frontin' ass clown into this house? Babe, what are you doing? You can't kill my daddy.
Don't worry. I'm your daddy now. But nothing, bitch.
I know you didn't just call my little girl a bitch.
She act like a bitch. I'ma call her one. Now, bye-bye, Mr. Black. Say hello to my little friend.